everybody, Boone Wyatt here with the 323 Concept Furniture Restoration. Today we're going to be showing you how we go about adding some decorative buttons to a throw pillow. In this situation it's just a regular square pillow and we're going to add buttons to both sides of that pillow. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into this video and show you how we go about doing that. Thanks y'all. Alright everybody, that concludes our video for today on how we go about adding buttons to a throw pillow. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you want to see a different video in the future or you have a different scenario, we'd love to hear about it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get updates to our future videos. And also, if you need any of the tools that we used today, don't forget to check the video description. We'll put links in there of where you can find everything that we use. So thanks for tuning in and we'll see y'all next time. Later.